The chairman of the All Progressive Congress Edo State Chapter, Emperor Jare Tinebe, has paid a congratulatory visit to the chairman of Isako East Local Government Area, Honorable Sonny Ekpesin, following his landslide victory in the recently concluded local government election. While congratulating him on his election victory, Emperor Jare Tinebe wished Honorable Sonny Ekpesin a successful and impactful tenure in office. Members of the Edo State House of Assembly representing Isako East and Isako West constituencies, Honorable Kingsley Ugabi and Honorable Lekki Hussein, were among those who accompanied the APC State Chairman on the visit. Osarogie Agwebo, GTV News.